Ever found yourself working on a project with a team, only to realize everyone's changes are clashing, creating a chaotic mess? That's where Git branches come in. They're like parallel universes for your code, allowing you and your team to work on different features or fixes simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes. In this video, we'll dive into how to use Git branches effectively to streamline your development workflow and boost collaboration. First, let's understand why branches are so powerful. Each branch is an independent line of development. Imagine you're building a website. Your main branch holds the stable, production-ready code. When you want to add a new feature, you create a new branch off of main. This keeps your experimental work isolated and prevents it from breaking the live version of your project, enabling parallel development and easier code management. Next, choose a branching strategy that fits your team. For many, a simple approach like GitHub Flow is highly effective. It suggests that your main branch is always deployable, and all new work happens in descriptively named feature branches. For larger teams or projects with scheduled releases, Git Flow offers a more structured approach with dedicated develop, release, and hotfix branches. Now, let's create and work on a feature branch. Always start by pulling the latest changes to your main branch with git pull origin main. Then create a new branch with git checkout-b feature/your feature name. Use clear descriptive names like feature add user profile or bug fix/fix login error, so everyone understands its purpose. Make your changes, commit them frequently with meaningful messages, and push your branch to the remote repository regularly using git push-u origin feature/your feature name to keep it backed up and shareable. Once your feature is complete, it's time to merge it back into main. First, switch back to your main branch, git checkout main, and pull the latest changes. Then, merge your feature branch using git merge feature/your feature name. If Git encounters conflicting changes, you'll see a merge conflict. Don't panic. Git will mark the conflicting sections in your files, manually edit them to resolve the differences, then git add the fixed files, and git commit to finalize the merge. Here's a pro tip. Keep your branches small and short-lived. Large, long-lived branches are prone to significant merge conflicts and can delay integration. Aim to break down features into smaller, manageable tasks, each with its own branch. This makes code reviews easier, reduces the complexity of merging, and allows for more frequent integration into your main codebase, leading to a smoother development process. Mastering Git branches is a fundamental skill for any developer, transforming chaotic collaboration into a streamlined workflow. By understanding branching strategies, creating focused feature branches, and confidently merging your work, you'll be building better software faster. Start learning today at Sikho.ai.